Hi guys, I'm back again for the second time this week. I felt like my Tuesday video was way too short. It was not supposed to be only 5 minutes. I'm really sorry about that. But I've been waiting all week, very, very impatiently, for this to come so that we could do another extra video. That's what we'll call it, extra video for the week. Now let me fetch the subject of our extra video. My FabFitFun box. Yep, I finally got it, despite the fact that FedEx and the post office are really slow right now. I'm assuming it's a holiday season thing, so. But before we get started, I thought I'd throw out a little, shameless plug. Y'all, go to your local TJ Maxx for makeup. It's incredible. I bought Bare Minerals liquid foundation for $10. $10 yesterday. And Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick for $8. I got an Aurora palette, the Aurora Glow Kit palette for $20. They have Subculture palettes. They have the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. It's crazy. They have Lancome, Estee Lauder, Stila, Too Faced, Smashbox, all sorts of things. It's insane. You've got to check it out. It's amazing. I'm so stoked. Excuse me, hiccups. But I'm eating so much makeup from there. It's kind of bad. But yeah, just thought I'd throw that out there. It's crazy. But now that I'm done with that little random plug, we're going to get started opening the FabFitFun box. Let me get my scissors. First of all, can we just talk about the box? It's so cute. They're sitting by the fire. It's a very wintry theme. Sitting by the fire, having them some coffee or hot cocoa or hot tea, whatever suits their fancy. And it's got this very wintry pattern continued on the bottom and on the sides. The window goes up to the top. It's super cute. Let's see if I can get this open. Please excuse me as I struggle to open this box. I will be back momentarily. Okay, box has been successfully opened. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, the inside, of course, is patterned adorably, and it says, "Find your cozy." That's amazing. That's adorable. This one's not as heavy as the last one. Though that makes sense. The last one had a glass, dripper for coffee in it, so. Okay. So, we have the magazine. And I'm gonna keep this open so I can tell you about all the stuff. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my goodness. My desk is a mess. Desk. Okay. I have a coupon for HelloFresh, which would be nicer if I didn't already have it. Ooh. That's cool. Okay, and there's a little note about, apparently there was an issue with one of the items, the coasters. I'm sure you guys heard about it. So they decided to be treated to a surprise item with a higher retail value. So, we'll see. Right. Let's get the... Oh, ripping all the tissue paper. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. Oh, okay. So, we have the Thrive Cosmetics for starters. We have the Thrive Cosmetics Highlighting Stick. Ring light technology. Look at how pretty the color of this is. Oh my goodness. Equipped with a built-in sharpener. Shine bright with long-lasting champagne shimmer powered by ring light technology to diffuse light and define features. Instantly highlights, brightens, and opens your eyes. I love how Thrive Cosmetics, it's cause, oops, not just, yeah. So this has got that same pretty packaging, and I guess this is the, yep, that's the sharpener. Back in you go. Brilliant eye brightener. Oh, that's so pretty. It's a little highlight. Let's see, can you see where, there it is. Heck. Right there. It's this beautiful champagne little highlight stick, which I think is for brow bone and inner corner, and maybe even on the waterline perhaps. This retails for $24. So that's awesome. We're gonna keep moving. Ooh, this looks nice. Okay. The brand is called Black. Eye mask with hyaluronic acid. 5 eye masks. Ooh. Let's see. These retail for $29. The Thrive Cosmetics came in every box. This also comes in every box. I love under eye brightening masks because I have very dark circles, and putting an under eye mask on really makes a difference. So, keep moving. Ooh, what's this? Okay, this is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. Ooh, 3 to 5 minutes, once or twice a week. This retails for $33, and you can use it either as an overnight sleeping mask or just a quick little hydration boost while you're doing the rest of your skincare. This looks cool. I'm excited. I have like normal to dry skin, so this will be nice to do every once in a while to keep everything kind of hydrated. All right, let's see what else we have. Ooh, this is the Pure Cosmetics Be Your Selfie Eyeshadow Palette. The Ahava mask was in every box. This palette retails for $36. The other options were a pair of over-the-knee socks and a jade stone roller, like a face roller. Ooh, look at the packaging. It's so pretty. Ooh, this is like a nice, like a neutral. There's some browns and some pink tinted things. Oh, that's pretty. Overall, I've noticed that Pure Cosmetics tends to be good, not excellent, I'd say, as far as their eyeshadow quality. There's a couple that I've seen in some of their palettes. I've had 2 or 3 of them. Every once in a while, you'll get a shadow that's not up to par, but overall, they're pretty good. This is going to be a fun palette to try. I'm going to have to give this a try tomorrow, maybe? Day after? Not sure. Soon. Put that up there. Ooh. Oh, I'm so excited about this, you guys. I cannot even. This is the Orbe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. This is like cardboard packaging or whatever. This is like super, super fancy. I love this dry shampoo. I've gotten samples of it in, like, I want to say it was my Birchbox. When I had Birchbox, I got a sample of this, but I didn't want to purchase it because it retails for $44 for dry shampoo, ladies and gentlemen. But I love it, so I got it in this box. The other options were a jewelry portfolio and a silver circle necklace. Alright, we also have, ooh, I'm excited about this. This is the BarePRO combo set, headband, and top glove duo. To keep me warm in the cold. Oh, look how fuzzy this is. Oh. So this is just like a headband wrap thing, and then a pair of gloves. This retails for $45. Ooh. And the other option was a Moroccan gold treatment hair mask, it looks like. Yep, that looks like a hair mask. Alright. Ooh. Okay, We also have Elevate Essential Oils, Eucalyptus and Sweet Orange. I actually have an essential oil diffuser running right now with, I want to say it's orange with and a touch of peppermint is what I keep in my makeup room. I used to keep candles in here, but I had a habit of forgetting and leaving them on, like leaving them lit. And a diffuser will automatically turn off without fire hazards. Candles are not that friendly. So, no more candles in here. But this is awesome. This retails for $31. The other option was a body cream by Anthropologie. Really excited that I got this instead. The body cream was a coconut scent, and I'm real funny about coconut. But yeah, eucalyptus and sweet orange. Those will be awesome to try. Okay, so I think I was supposed to get the coaster set because I got something really random in here. I don't know how much this is worth or anything. It's not in this booklet. This is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. Renews skin radiance, polishes and smooths, helps diminish the look of fine lines. This is really nice looking. I like exfoliators. Ooh, fancy. I mean, it's Dr. Brandt, of course it's fancy. This is probably worth a ridiculous amount of money because it's Dr. Brandt and y'all know. And last but not least, we have the Mark & Graham Color Block Throw in, let's see, I think this one's gray on ivory. Ooh, that's just the one I wanted. Oh, it's soft. This is just a big, cozy throw blanket. It retails for $49. And, oh man, I'm gonna have to hide this from my cat. Like, 100% gonna have to hide this from my cat. It's so soft. I haven't even pulled it out of the container, and it's super soft. Oop, this way. So, yeah, I'm super excited. But yeah, this is just a little quick extra something for y'all. Hopefully this will be up by Friday, maybe Saturday at the latest if I don't get time to edit it tonight. But yeah, I will keep y'all posted on how everything works. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Give me a big old thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will, in fact, see you next time. Bye, guys.